Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is AZUREEN binti SALEH and my group member are Muhammad Asif, Muhammad SYAFIQ and Nuzzul HAKKIM. We are from Group 2B. We present to you about advanced manufacturing of ceramic tiles panel.
Process for product that made from ceramic tile panel is laser cut. Laser cutting is an everyday method for manufacturing metal and non-metal part. The $4 billion industry is responsible for producing car, sheet and furniture. Firstly, we have to design and transfer data to the monitor of laser cut. After that, clamping the material tightly and on the laser cutting. In a laser cutting device, it is all start with the laser resonator. This beam of parallel light wave is the reflect of one or more mirror in the focusing head. It then passes out through a nozzle and sear whatever it's land on. Laser cutting gives a lot of design freedom, plenty of material option and can be combined with other method giving you the best result.
For the discussion 1, an environment issue that happen in laser cut are dangerous thermal. The thermal cutting procedure cause the material to melt, so the result produce gas and potentially toxic odor. For solution is ventilation system is a requirement, although expensive. And secondly, it is costly. The cost of laser cut machine might exist to £1,000 when compared to water jet or plasma cutter laser can be twice as expensive. So the solution is creating a prototype simply means creating a mock-up and closely follow the maintenance guide. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, for discussion 2, we have two alternatives for ceramic tile. We have cut using laser cut machine and water jet machine. Okay, laser cut machine is largely utilized in the manufacturing business. This means Peter instruct the laser to cut, burn, melt and blow away the pattern. Get this out. The laser beam can be readily applied. Okay, we have used laser cut because it's more complex, can be made on smaller part than chip. Okay. For water jet machine, water jet tile cutter is industrial machine that's cut ceramic tile through high pressure water flow and abrasive. Many industrial water jet tile cutter use abrasive cutting get best quality tile cutting. We decide to use water jet cutter because it can cut thing more precisely. It's also possible to cut out almost any complicated design perfectly. Type thin piece of design that need to be cut many different shape and size. The jet can make all of this high level of design.
For discussion 3, I will discuss the advantage between laser cut and water jet. If you're working in the field of manufacturing and you're considering using laser cutting in your next project, you may be wondering about what the advantages are. Is laser cutting really better than traditional cutting, lunge, punch, and other similar tools? The advantage of laser cut is high accuracy and precision cut. So lead time we no need to replace or modify tooling. First, they handle job of almost any company, higher sheet utilization with less waste, low power consumption, and the last one is extreme cutting capacity that can be used on almost any material. For the water jet, why exactly you should consider using water jet cutting over any other method of production? But does this practice offer that more traditional manufacturing procedure or not? Well, there are actually quite a few useful advantages to use this production method. some of the advantages are accurately and precise cut compact shape, require no heat source or application, works on any material, reduce generate no undesirable byproduct, and the last one is work fast.
And for discussion number 4, the limitation between the existing process, which is a laser cut, and also the proposed process, which is a water jet. For the existing, the cost of energy is not fixed. It depends on the size of the item or the amount you wish to cut. And the production rate may be different depend on the type of material and also the thickness of the sheet. And every metal cannot be cut in the laser machine. For example, copper and aluminium. And then for the water jet proposed process, which is a water jet cutter machine, require a lot of specialized training. And it also use a lot of power, and therefore they need the heavy duty trailer to move or install to another place. And it also require a lot more power than other type of cutting machines. And then for the discussion number 5, which is a cost cure between existing and the proposed process. So for the laser cut machine cost is a price is in between 100,000 to 250,000. Then the machine operating cost that need to be considered by running the cutting machine is a gas consumable, power consumption, and also labor cost. For the maintenance, the most important part that need to be considered, which is a laser source or glass tube, mirror and lens, and also a moving parts. For the proposed process water jet, the machine cost itself in between 150,000 ringgit to 400,000 ringgit. It depends on the size. And then for the machine operating cost, uh, the cost that need to be considered is consumer materials such as water, fuel, abrasive, which is sand, and also power consumption, and the labor cost. For the maintenance, the important part that need to be considered is a pump, seals, and focusing. Thank you.